Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my channel. I've got a couple of things to share with you today. One is my draw for my Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge for April. But just before I do that, I would like to share some pages with you from my Arty Crafty book. It's not a journal, just a book where I have a mixture of different things inside, and you will see as I go along. Also look out for crafty gifts that you've sent to me. I've got some of them stuck in there. Now this book I've had absolutely ages and I've not done many pages, but honestly my aim is to carry on throughout the year and pop more stuff in as I go along. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to share it with you. But can I just say, I will have to sort of move the book up and down, as you won't see each page if I keep it in one place. Anyway, let me get started and I'll show you my first page. So for my background, I created an inky background, and I remember it was using my Distress inks. Well, I think it was using my Distress inks, I'm sure it was. So I did my inky background, and then I took this lovely page from a cut and collage book that I have. I've not kept the edges straight. I've got a bit of a torn look around this edge and one around the bottom, so I've stuck that to the inky background. Then I've taken this a lovely pink rose, and that was from my flower collage book, stuck that in the corner there, and then I took one of the little butterflies and I just stuck that to my page. And then I have this stamp that says, "Let happiness bloom, good things take time." So anyway, on to my second page. So here we go. So on this page is gifts that I have been sent from my lovely crafty friends. So you might recognize some stuff on there. And when it's a card, what I've done is I've just stuck the back of the card to the page, but left the front flap open so I can see who my card is from. So I've got the gorgeous card, I've got butterflies, I've got wooden embellishments. This is a lovely flower sticker. I've got a lovely wooden butterfly at the bottom. This is an ATC and a lovely sparkly butterfly here. And then this is a gorgeous decoupage flower in the bottom left there. And then this next one, so this is the lovely page. So I splattered the background with my gold paint. At the bottom here, I stamped in gold some script. It's very, very faint in this corner, and just here I've cut out some lovely butterflies with some mirri card. And I've also used my, what did I use here? I used my, can I think? An alphabet. Yeah, it was an alphabet die. Then I took this lovely little border shape, cut that in onto my mirri card, and then in the centre I just used a piece of white card, stamped a flower and embossed it with my gold embossing powder. And then I have this lovely little topper, "You Are My Sunshine." Flip over here. So like I said earlier, it is a mixture of crafty and arty bits in my book. So this one is actually taken from a colouring book I have. So I've coloured in the beautiful flowers, and then I've taken a stamp. If I had a flower for every time I think of you, I could walk in my garden forever. So on this page, is a lovely bee themed page. So I've got the checky card, and then for my background I just went around with my blues and yellows and lemon inks, stuck the card to the page, and then I took my stamp set that has the lovely bees and the honeycomb, and I inked on the page with the honeycomb stamp, just dotted that around my page. I then stamped and fussy cut the bees from the same stamp set. Then in the corner here from my flower collage book, I've taken the lovely bunch of daffodils, and then just on the card I popped some lovely little gold peel-offs, and the leftover peel-offs I just stuck into the centre of the flowers. This little stamp is actually part of the bee and honeycomb stamp, and it was actually said happy bee day, so I cut the day off the happy and I've put be happy. That is my lovely bee themed page. So flipping over onto my next page, and this is my pretty pink page. So first of all, for my background I chose a pink and white paper, so the background is pink, and then over the paper it is scattered with lovely white butterflies. Then I've got some lovely gorgeous ATCs, and I've got a lovely painty sticker, and then the little flower and the butterfly is just from my own stash. So that is my lovely pretty pink page. So yeah, on to the next page. So this is just something recently that I've popped into my book. What happened was, for some reason or another, I missed a page out. I went from the pink and flipped it over onto another page. So this page, when I've come back to the book, this page just happened to be blank. However, it's been filled up now, so it's not empty and blank anymore. So I'm just going to remove my paper there, and this is the page I've just created recently. So for my background, I used my Enchanted Garden paper pad. So I've stuck the sheet of paper onto my page, and then I've created this page, which is a happy bee day page. And there we go. On to my last page here for the moment, and this is a lovely blue paper that I've taken from my stash, which has lovely white flowers scattered across the paper. I've then taken a butterfly and a flower sticker and stuck those to the top of my page. I've popped this little glittery sparkly embellishment there down the side, and then I had this little topper which says you are never more than a thought away. And just at the bottom of my page I've got this little with love, which I've stuck there, and then one of my lovely birds on the bottom of the page. So yeah, there we go. That is my little crafty arty book for the moment. So I will continue through my book, adding bits and pieces as I go along. So onto my drawer in just a moment. I'm just going to pop in and share what I created. So I made a journal card from some white card. I've popped my strips diagonally across the card. I stamped out a sentiment that says just a note going diagonally across my card, and then I created this little butterfly from some glitter paper, some floral paper, and some plain paper, and I've just stuck that on the top of my journal card. Just pop my card there to one side for the moment. I thoroughly enjoyed looking at everyone's makes. There's been all kinds of gorgeous, wonderful and amazing makes, cards, tags, ATCs, loads and loads of beautiful, beautiful makes. Thank you so much to everyone who has joined in. I really, really appreciate it. So if you would like to join in, it is open UK and internationally, and at the end of each month I will hold a prize draw where I will pop your name into my draw and choose a winner. So all you will need to do is create something from your scraps, turn them into strips and join in my challenge. So if you would like to join in, use the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips and tag me in at Content Crafts. So anyway, let me get on to the draw. So I have the list of ladies who have taken part for April. I had 2 new ladies joining in, and they were Gina from Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journals and Gwen the Trash Witch. I've also popped a few of the ladies did 2 makes or more, so I've popped those into my draw twice. So if you make 2 or more things in the month, I will add you to my prize draw twice in that month. Anyway, let me go and we shall pick a winner. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. So the winner is, can we guess? It is Jenny at Jenny's Crafty Corner. Well done, Jenny. Congratulations. There we go. Well done, Jenny. Congratulations. And thank you ever so much to everyone who has taken part in the challenge for April. So I hope you might consider joining in my fun challenge. If you would like to join in, all you will need to do is pop the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips and tag me in at Contenter Crafts, and that way I will see all of your fabulous, wonderful makes. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye bye for now.